Welcome students. Today we are going to learn Standard 5th subject English. Our first poem is What a Bird Thought. It is very nice and realistic poem. In this poem, bird explaining about world and their various kinds of houses. Let's begin poem by reading. Unit 1. First poem. What a Bird Thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, "The world is made of leaves. I have been very blind." At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? Now we will explain this poem by stanza. First stanza. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Here bird said that though my house was very little, I loved to live there. I lived very well in my little house. Then the world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Here bird said that my first little house was small, round and made of pale blue shell. Here pale means faint color and shell means hard outer cover of an egg. Means its first little house was small, round and faint blue color shell. Here you can see. Next stanza. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Whenever bird hatch out from an egg, the bird said, my next house was little nest. I don't need any other thing in this house. This nest is enough for me. First, whenever I am in egg, I thought that small round pale blue shell was my world. But now my world was made of straw. Here straw means dried part of plant used by birds to build their nest and covered by my mother. Here a mother bird always sits on eggs or young ones to protect them. So the bird thought the whole world was made up of straw and covered by my mother. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. After some days, bird fluttered. Fluttered means flew unsteadily. He fluttered from their nest to see what he could find. The bird said, earlier I thought the pale blue shell as a world. When I hatch out from an egg, I thought the nest as a world. That time I was so small, so I could not see properly. First time I fluttered from the nest, and I saw these green leaves everywhere. So I have been very blind to see these green colors leaves. So I feel that the world is made up of leaves. Last stanza. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? Here the bird flew beyond the tree, and whenever he fluttered beyond the tree, he saw the blue sky. And it began to wonder how the world was really made. Whenever bird saw the beautiful world, he wondered to see the world, and he asked an open-ended question that I cannot tell how the world is really made. Can you tell that how the world is really made? First, he was live in small blue shell. So he thought that the world is made up of small blue shell. Then whenever he hatch out from the egg, he is in nest. So he thought that the world is made up of straws, that is, and covered by his mother. Then whenever he fluttered out of the nest, he saw the green leaves. Then he thought that the green leaves means world. Whenever he fluttered from the tree, he saw the blue sky. Then he thought that the blue sky means world. But now he really know that the world is so big and we can't tell you how the world is really made. So he asked that how the world is really made. I can't tell you. Can you tell? Okay, in this way we learn this poem. Now we will solve the exercise. First, glossary. Fluttered. Fluttered means flew unsteadily. Straw means straight central part of plant. For example, wheat. Dried are used for birds shelter. Beyond means to the further side. Pale means light in color. Shell, the hard outer covering of an egg. Question number first. Find and list the rhyming words from the poem. First, well, shell, fine, blind, other, mother, blue, you. Question number 2, learn and recite the poem. Question number 3, describe the following in 1 or 2 lines. First, the first little house of the bird. Answer, the first little house of the bird was small, round and made of pale blue shell. Second, the nest. Answer, the nest is the second house of the bird. Nest was made with dried grass and straws. Third, the world around the bird's nest. Answer, the bird realized that the world was made of leaves. When bird flew away beyond the tree, he saw the blue sky. Question number 4, state true or false. First, the bird was unhappy in its first house. False, because bird was happy in its first house. Second, the bird confidently fly from the nest. False, because the bird unsteadily fly from the nest. Number 3, the nest was made of straw. Correct, so true. Number 4, the bird knows how the world has been made. False, because the bird don't know how the world is really made. So the answer is false. Thank you.